Hi, Scott Bruder here. So I have some smart light switches. They're older, they're radio frequency, they're not IP based, but I use them for internal projects. One of them's a little funky, and it's been that way ever since putting some LED bulbs on it. I feel it's because there's not enough load on the across the switch itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install this capacitor, and of course it doesn't want to focus. Here we go. There's a little 0.1 microfarad cap, 275 volt AC, so this should work just fine. But I don't want this bouncing around in my lamp, so I'm going to get myself some wire and some heat shrink, and hopefully we will not have to worry about this. Now, if this was a long piece of wire, I would slide the heat shrink on first and expose the section I want to work on, and then solder it, and then slide it back. But I'm going to just slide it on the other end when I'm done. And it doesn't really matter which way I go, as long as I make sure that I solder well. Ha 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 ha. Okay, first things first, I'm going to just tin the lines. Sure, why not? I'll just... I'm sure I could have done this with a little bit of flux, but there's flux in the middle of the solder, so we should be good. I should have used one of my fancy holdy thing tight devices. But all in all, that's going to be great. Same thing on the other side. Second one's always easier because there's a little bit more weight on it. Unless it keeps bouncing around on me. Of course, that one didn't go as smooth as I would have thought. Okay, you know what? I need to put something on there that's going to hold it. Should have done that from the beginning. Comment, share. Tell me what I did wrong. It'd be nice to have a second set of hands, or in some cases, a third set of hands. There we go. And I'll just, let's see here. There's one. And two. Perfect. And I'll heat this up with a little bit of fire. I'm sure I could have used a heat gun, but lighter works just fine. Looks pretty darn good. One day I will get a better phone. There we go. Perfect. Comment. And thanks for watching.